In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the permissions to add and remove members from a Trello board. Managing permissions effectively can help you maintain control and ensure that your team operates smoothly. Let's dive into the process step by step and make this task a breeze. First, open your preferred browser and head over to Trello by typing trello.com into the address bar. Once you've arrived at the Trello homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on the Login button. This will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you prefer, you can also log in using your Google account, which might save you a few clicks if you're already signed in. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to the Boards section. You'll find this option accessible from the top navigation bar that Trello provides. In the Boards section, you'll also notice a portion labeled Your Workspaces. This is where all the boards associated with your account are organized. Find the one that you wish to manage and click on it to open. With your desired board open, it's time to access the board settings. Locate the three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, and click on them. This action will reveal a drop-down menu where you should select About this board. This option gives you more insight and control over the settings associated with your chosen board. From here, locate the option labeled Change Permissions and click on it. This is the control center for managing who can add and remove members from your board. Once inside the permissions menu, select adding and removing members. Here you'll be able to define precisely who has the authority to manage your board's member list. You'll find two main options. You can choose to set it to admins if you want only administrators to have this ability, or select all members if you prefer a more collaborative approach where every member can manage others. Once you've made your choice, you can exit the permissions menu. Simply locate the Close button, usually found in the corner, and click it to seal your new settings. Congratulations, you've just learned how to change the permissions for adding and removing members on your Trello board. By following these steps, you can ensure that only the right people have the power to invite or remove board members, keeping your team operations secure and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to keep these steps in mind next time you adjust your Trello board settings. Happy organizing!